The 9 Lives of Fritz the Cat.
The 9 Lives of Fritz the Cat.
Bottle Rocket.
Bottle Rocket.
Wet Hot American Summer.
Wet Hot American Summer.
Zoolander.
Zoolander.
Harold and Maude.
Harold and Maude.
Tucker and Dale vs. Evil.
Tucker and Dale vs. Evil.
Pineapple Express.
Pineapple Express.
Mallrats.
Mallrats.
Wiggy.
Released 2005, directed by Rob McKittrick.
Hot Fuzz.
Hot Fuzz.
Idiocracy.
Idiocracy. The Rocky Horror Picture Show.
This is Spinal Tap.
This is Spinal Tap.
Napoleon Dynamite.
Released 2004, directed by Jared Hessmore. Napoleon Dynamite. 76 of 125 the greatest date movies of all time. 6 of 51 great quirky movies for grown-ups. 61 of 116 the funniest movies about high school.
Zombieland.
Released 2009, directed by Ruben Fleischer. Moore. Zombieland. 17 of 178 the best dystopian and near-future movies. 400 of 553 the greatest epic movies ever made. 6 of 144 the best zombie movies of all time.
Dazed and Confused.
Dazed and Confused.
Clerks.
Released 1994, directed by Kevin Smith. Moore. Clerks behind-the-scenes stories from the making of Clerks. 126 of 224 the best black and white movies ever made. 47 of 63 movies you wish you could still watch for the first time.
The Blues Brothers.
Released 1980, directed by
Super Troopers.
Released 2002, directed by J. Chandrasekhar. Moore. Super Troopers. 22 of 151 the most rewatchable comedy movies. 9 of 111 the best stoner movies. 51 of 456 the most quotable movies of all time.
Shaun of the Dead.
Shaun of the Dead.
Ghostbusters.
Released 1984, directed by Ivan Reitman. Or Ghostbusters behind-the-scenes secrets from Ghostbusters. Most people have never heard. 5 of 105 the best Halloween movies for kids. 17 of 94 the best trios of all time.
Spaceballs.
Released 1987, directed by Mel Brooks. Moore. Spaceballs. 37 of 186 the best alien movies ever made. 56 of 522 the greatest movies of the 1980s. Ranked 29 of 541 the greatest guilty pleasure movies.
Office Space.
Office Space.
Monty Python and the Holy Grail.
Released 1975, directed by Terry Gilliam. Terry Jones Moore Monty Python and the Holy Grail. Monty Python and the Holy Grail was an on-set nightmare that everyone hated. Filming 82 of 1540, the most rewatchable movies. 54 of 355, the best rainy day movies.
The Big Lebowski.
The Big Lebowski.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.